Hello class, today we're going to learn all about linking verbs. First, what is a linking verb? Well, a linking verb connects the subject with a word that gives information about whatever the subject is. It doesn't show action. It only links the subject with the rest of the sentence. So think of it almost like a chain. Now, what are some common linking verbs? Well, some common linking verbs include to be verbs such as is, am, was, are, were, and other verbs like feel, appear, become, look, smell, seem, and taste. Now, let's look at these example sentences that use common linking verbs. Number 1, Jack is tall. The linking verb is connects the subject Jack to tall, which describes Jack's height. Number 2, she was really hungry. The linking verb was connects the subject she to the feeling of being really hungry. Number 3, Susan feels sick to her stomach. The linking verb feels connects the subject Susan to sick to her stomach, so the information about how Susan feels. And then number 4, the pizza smells delicious. The linking verb smells connects the subject pizza to the adjective delicious, which is describing how the pizza tastes. Let's move on. Now, why don't you practice? So read the sentence below and identify the linking verb being used. Let me read it to you. Number 1, my brothers and I were so tired. My brothers and I were so tired. I want you to identify the linking verb used in this sentence. Alright, let's see what you got. You should have chosen the word were. My brothers and I were so tired. The subject, my brothers and I, is connected to the feeling of being so tired with the linking verb were. Number 2, the hike seems difficult. The hike seems difficult. Identify the linking verb. Alright, you should have chosen the word seems. Okay, the linking verb seems connects the subject, the hike, to the adjective difficult, so it describes the hike. Number 3, those girls are students. Those girls are students. Alright, let's see what you got. You should have chosen the word are. The linking verb are connects the subject, those girls, to the noun students. So the girls equals students. Now let's see if you could do it on your own. Directions. I want you to identify the linking verb in each sentence as quick as you can. Number 1, the alarm clock was loud. Alright, you should have chosen the word was. The linking verb was connects the subject, the alarm clock, to the sound of being so loud, or to the description word of loud. Number 2, Haley is a pretty girl. Haley is a pretty girl. Let's see what you got. Is. You should have gotten is. Haley is a pretty girl. The linking verb is connects the subject Haley to the noun a pretty girl. Number 3, the hall became noisy. The hall became noisy. What'd you get? Alright, you should have chosen became. The linking verb became connects the subject, the hall, to the adjective noisy. It describes the hall. Hall equals noisy. Now let's wrap up everything that we just learned. In summary, a linking verb links the subject with the rest of the sentence. Always remember, linking verbs do not show action. And there are some common linking verbs that we use every day. And those include is, was, were, are, am, look, appear, seem, smell, and many others. I hope you learned so much from this mini lesson about linking verbs. And hopefully now you will be able to identify it in everyday speaking, writing, and reading. Thank you so much.